Hey all, this is Arun 8GB from NokiaSaga.com. Here we have the Nokia X6 and we're gonna unbox it today. So let's open the case and we have the lovely looking Nokia X6. We'll keep that aside. This is the 16 gig version and this is the OE Unlimited music. Oh, I don't think I can focus it well. And we're gonna do it in a different style. So we're gonna call a guest, and this is my nephew. Come. His name is Aditya. Come on, let's unbox. Yeah, sit on. And now in box we have unboxing. We have the charger.
Oh, charger.
Oh yes, it is a charger. And we have the headset. That is the white looking cool headset.
Oh, good. Very good.
And we have the charger, the car charger.
Car charger? Oh, good.
And we have the micro USB cable. That is
good.
the mini micro USB cable.
Oh, good.
And we have the card holder.
Oh, good.
And this is the extra package that we have got with the card holder.
Oh.
And we have the battery over here and the manuals, OV store CDs, and the Nokia car charger manuals, and blah blah blah. And yeah, we have the battery over here. So quickly we'll be
Oh, battery.
yes, and quickly we'll be like, say hi to all.
Hi.
Yeah. So quickly we'll be putting the battery onto the X6 and we'll kickstart it and putting the battery, and not a SIM card not inserted till now. And yo, there we go in. Oh
Hi.
yeah,
Very important phone.
yeah. So now the main part, we're gonna switch the device on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and we have switched the device on, and yeah, there we go. Nokia X6 16 gigs. Do some stunts, yeah.
You're doing.
And by that time Nokia has booted up. This is the 16 gig version, and I'll be setting up the things, and watch out for more. Thanks for watching.